Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel auto renewal on your Hostinger account. If you want more control over your subscriptions or just found a better hosting deal, this process only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. This is your starting point for managing billing and subscriptions. Next, click on the login button in the top right corner. Enter your Hostinger email and password, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the main dashboard, also called the H panel. This is where all account management takes place. From the left-hand menu, click on Billing. This section holds all payment information, invoices, and subscription details. Inside Billing, click on Subscriptions. Here you'll see a complete list of services linked to your account, along with their renewal settings. Locate the specific subscription you want to manage. Next to it, click on the small arrow or More Options icon to expand the details. Among the settings, you'll find Auto Renewal. Click it, then switch the setting from on to off. A confirmation prompt may appear. Just confirm your choice. Once confirmed, auto renewal is disabled. From now on, you won't be charged automatically, giving you full control over when and how to renew. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto renewal on Hostinger. Remember, this means you'll need to manually renew before your plan expires to avoid interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.